see what happens.
We're kind of taking a different approach. Some new machines, some new technology.
We're cutting the blocks out of the mountain versus ripping it. It's more gentle on the product and brings out a lot bigger chunks.
That is a big-ass wire saw.
Mike bought 2 used Italian-made wire saws down in the U.S.
This unhooked the clevis, yeah.
Yep, good.
And he found investors.
Okay.
But Justin and Mike also had to put down their own money to import these unique saws.
Mining is a big risk, and it's all fine and dandy when it's someone else's money, but when it's your money going in it, you want to see the reward at the end of the season.
Where do you want this?
He's going over there.
I think there's a huge amount of pressure on Justin and Mike to prove themselves as jade miners. If they can make it through season 1, then they can make it through anything.
Okay.
Getting the old generator ready here to hook up the wires for our new wire saw.
Their strategy is to have the whole crew running both saws around the clock and to get enough jade out to make a profit before the snow flies.
This is a whole new piece of machinery. This is Italian.
Then we have installation guide.
But they've never seen saws like these before.
Oh, look at that. Voltage control, power stage. We're just gonna set one up.
The plan is to get to the jade lens they've nicknamed the Big Fin, a lens they think is worth $250,000.
Can't wait to do the bad boy.
To get the Big Fin out in a solid piece, they'll have to start leveling and cutting out blocks of jade around it.
And then we'll cut along that bottom crack.
Yeah, you betcha.
I've never cut a big chunk like this. This is the first time. This thing can cut 8 meters in no time. This is gonna be cool.
And this whole thing is gonna spin down 90 degrees
Jiggly.
and be cutting flat.
The saw's drive can pivot to make horizontal and vertical cuts, allowing it to slice out perfect slabs of jade.
It's Italian, but it's not a Ferrari.
Guy will man the generator
The old Caterpillar.
and try to set the right amps and volts.
This has got lots of juice. That means don't touch it there, you're gonna light up.
It's exciting. These are the bigger saws we've ever ran.
That looks pretty good, huh?
We are almost ready for cutting. Just gotta fire the saw up.
Okay, boss. Watch.
Guy fires up the generator.
You're a little rusty. Warning alarm, everybody
Okay.
stand clear.
Clear, clear.
Mike turns on the saw for the big moment.
Stop.
Well, that's weird.
And it won't fire up?
Nope. We're not getting power to the main motor.
Okay, hang on.
They're getting power from the control box, but the saw's motor isn't moving.
Reset.
You guys want the power off?
Yep. Hit the breaker.
Electrical. Having issues is never a way you want to start out a new venture. What's going on here?
Something's blown.
There it goes.
Okay, it's going the right way.
Clear.
They're ready to try and fire it up again.
Should be going way faster than that, eh?
Speed it up.
Now they've gotten power to the saw, but it's not rotating fast enough for cutting.
That's not me.
You can't speed it up?
Nope. We're not getting enough power.
Don't stop, just back it up. Back up.
I didn't stop it. The breaker went. I got like 8 people yelling at me. The breaker went.
Don't get angry.
The motor has stopped running. And Mike's starting to feel the heat for his purchase.
And did you see this one running?
Both of them ran at the exact same time. Because I was like, I want to see the 2 of them start up on the generator that you said, so just so we can get confirmation. He's like, yeah. So we let that one warm up for 15 minutes, and then he fired this guy up.
Mike is a little stressed because he went down and he went and viewed the machinery and approved it for purchase. It
won't stay running? Did it pop the breaker or can you fire it up again?
There we go.
When he had approved it, all the machines were working, everything was fine. In between that time and when it was arrived on site, something happened.
Another breaker popped. Yeah, I don't know what the issue would be though.
Unless these breakers are snapped here.
There should be the one that actually speeds it up. But there's got to be a breaker in there that's not working though, because if it's not running right, we're not running it. We need an electrician. It's not one thing, it's another. God damn.
At Dynasty,
We'll get mine in here before it freezes. That'd be nice, eh?
a local electrician has arrived to look at the wire saw setup.
We'll bring an electrician in, and then hopefully we'll be able to continue operating.
How you doing, Troy?
Not too bad. So you lost the motor on this one?
Right here.
This is a little bigger than I thought. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It looks like more than just an electrical problem.
It's Italian.
It's Italian.
Yeah, the book is in Italiano.
This runs the cable saw.
The motor is shot, and a replacement from Italy will take months to arrive.
Okay, Troy, thanks. Right. If it don't rain, it pours.
Justin and Mike's 2-saw program is now down to just one.
It's frustrating to have issues with the wire saw because right off the bat, your production's cut in half.
They hook up the second saw
You good?
Okay, down.
and hope the motor on this one works.
Okay, firing up.
What did you just do there?
Listen to that.
Won't turn. It's turning.
Something wrong with that.
The motor that pivots the rotating blade isn't working.
Come take a look at this motor.
Well, the motor's it's smoky. You can smell it. It's cooked.
Unbelievable.
We got 2 wire saws down. You rotated it when you were there, everything.
Everything worked. I checked both saws every single time.
All right.
The motor on the first saw proved faulty. Now the motor that controls the blade angle on the second saw has seized up.
The motor that does the rotating of the actual head ended up burning up.
Stinky. If it wasn't for bad luck, you guys would have no luck at all.
They try rotating the saw wheel by hand.
My big sausage fingers are too damn big.
Gary's gonna have a go at setting up the saw manually.
Let's take a look in there first, Gary.
If they can't fix this saw, Justin and Mike's program is done.
We spent a significant amount of capital purchasing this equipment, and we've already had mechanical failures. We've got one saw down, so I'm worried about the long-term plan.
Oh, this works.
Gary has found a hack for the busted pivoting motor on the saw.
It's working. It's working, finally.
He's manually rotated the cutting angle.
I did it with a little wrench.
Gary MacGyvered it with a arm power and a ratchet.
MacGyver's based on me. We'll get Justin on some controls. We'll cut a rock. I got this end over here lined up. Bring it out a little bit.
Is that coming through?
The crew threads the diamond-studded wire through the saw's pulleys.
A little more.
Any more?
Good?
Water's on.
Good to go. Put it back down in the groove.
Okay.
Everyone's good?
Clear!
Okay.
Up. It's okay. Keep going. Okay.
The saw's working. It's finally cutting into the first lens.
I can crank the speed up a bit.
Now we're cooking with peanut oil.
Coming through. He's gonna tip it over?
I'll try.
We'll see if it's usable material.
If the jade lens crumbles coming down, it would be worthless.
It's gonna be heavy.
It's gonna be at least 10 ton. That's the first good sign.
There's lots of nice green in there, eh? That's not too shabby.
For what we want to do, no, it's f***ing good.
The quality of jade in this lens is better than they expected. A promising sign for the new program at Dynasty.
Well, we weren't expecting great things out of this one either, right?
I was expecting just this.
Well, it's still pretty cool, man.
But any chance for success now hinges on Justin and Mike. They've got to pull out enough unfractured jade before freeze-up to satisfy their investors.
We know this is a good way to go.
It's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but nothing that we can't overcome.
Either way, the frickin' wire saws work.
Now we know.
If this mining method works and proves to be viable and efficient, the money that the company can make is a lot more than what it was before.
Older model miner.